The Good Village Co. in Brainerd, Minnesota. If this story doesn't show you the power of social media marketing, I don't know what will. Locally owned herbalist Lauren Hardy has accidentally gone viral on TikTok, in her words. I'm a huge supporter of social media marketing, especially TikTok, and her Good and Clear tea has sold nearly 15,000 bags. This delicious tea on TikTok Shop is giving her the opportunity to expand and grow. I don't believe in accidents, and her products are direct proof of that. This tea is one of the best blends I've ever had, and now getting to meet Lauren in person, I see why she keeps bringing people together. Her welcoming demeanor, extensive knowledge on the herbs and ingredients she uses to curate tea for individual use or just for really great taste is highly impressive. Not only does she have a large variety of ingredients to choose from, she has yummy baked goods made right in-house, fresh, and they're so good. This tea for two was for Valentine's Day and included a 2-tier plate filled with goodies. You can choose a pre-mixed blend or create your own. If you're looking for something special, Lauren can walk you through some great options and have direct benefits for you. I chose to make my own. I love citrus profiles and mint, so I chose orange peel and spearmint. I also have some gut issues, so the marshmallow root for that, along with mullein to help with my lung health. I added a little honey, and it was excellent. I highly recommend going and experiencing the shop in person, making a reservation for Tea for Two, or purchasing their tea directly from the TikTok shop or directly from their website. Follow them on their social platforms for all the current hours and offerings. Congratulations, Lauren. I'm looking forward to watching you grow. Go check them out.